Hey everyone, welcome to Writers ER. Today, we're tackling a big question for all you master's and PhD students out there. Should you go for quantitative or qualitative research for your thesis or dissertation? Think of it like choosing between a camera or a paintbrush to capture a scene. One gives you clear, precise snapshots, and the other lets you paint the details in your own colors. Let's jump right in and figure out which tool is best for your research. What's quantitative research? Quantitative research is all about numbers and stats. Imagine you're counting how many people prefer coffee over tea, and then turning those counts into graphs and charts. It's great for when you need to know how many or how much. For example, if you're studying whether a new study method helps students score better, you'd look at their grades before and after trying the method. What's qualitative research about? Now, let's talk about qualitative research. This is more about stories than numbers. It's like sitting down with someone and really getting to know their thoughts and feelings. You might have interviews, read diaries, or watch how people act in different situations. So if you're curious about why students prefer certain study methods over others, this is your go-to. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Writers ER for more tips on your academic journey. How do they stack up? So how do you pick between the two? It's like choosing between a bike and a car. A bike, qualitative, gets you up close and personal with the path, while a car, quantitative, gets you where you're going fast and gives you a big picture view. Sometimes you might even want to use both, like having a bike in your car's trunk. Real-world examples. Let's say you're looking into why some students get nervous before exams. A survey with yes or no questions is quantitative. It gives you a quick count. But sitting down with a student and chatting about their fears is qualitative. It tells you more about their personal experience. Picking your path. Your research question is like a compass here. If it's about counting or measuring, go quantitative. If it's about understanding reasons or experiences, think qualitative. And remember, it's also about what feels right for you. Are you more comfortable with crunching numbers or chatting with people? Choosing between quantitative and qualitative research shapes your whole project. It's like deciding whether to take a photo or paint a picture of a sunset. Each method has its own beauty and use. The important thing is to pick the one that fits your research question and what you're comfortable with. Before you go, let's chat in the comments. Tell us which method you're leaning towards and why. And hey, if you're enjoying our content and want to stay on top of your research game, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. We've got loads more insights and tips coming your way, right here on Writers ER.